$20,000 seller credit. On a cul-de-sac in the FireWise Certified and gated community of RidgeWater, Bates Homes has created a great use of space to enjoy all 4 seasons in your climate-controlled home. This single-level model features all the amenities of a larger floor plan, open floor plan, coffered ceilings, a covered front patio, covered back deck, dining area, mudroom, large pantry and lots of storage space. The bright and cheery kitchen has white cabinetry, quartz countertops, farm sink and stainless steel appliances and an eating bar just waiting to entertain. The exterior is complementary to the 300 days of Klamath County sunshine, a level half-acre, set back with a long driveway. Enjoy numerous wildlife viewing and birding opportunities to bring nature to you, either through the large windows or on the extensive trail system. Over 5 miles of private trails to hike.